guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to create this look for you guys using one simple palette. This look is really simple and beautiful. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I already applied my foundation and do my brows off camera, and now we are going to start with our shadows. And this is the palette I'm going to use. Look at these colors, guys. I'm going to use this color right here as my transition color, and the name for this color is Perfect. I'm gonna apply this all over my crease. And the next color I'm going to use that pinky shade right here. And the name for this shade is Belle. Belle is a French word which means beautiful. I'm gonna apply Belle all over my crease as well. And then I'm going to use this blue right here and apply it on my crease. But before I do this, I think I'm gonna use some concealer to cut my crease. I'll be right back. I'm gonna set the concealer with this color, the one I started in my transition color. That's what I'm gonna set the concealer with. To make it look more pigmented. Oh my god, I'm loving it. And now guys, I'm going to smoke my lower lash lines, and I'm gonna use the same color I use on my lids and crease. I'm gonna use this, follow with this, follow like that. And as usual, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette to contour my face. And for my nose, I'm gonna use a smaller brush to get more definition. Today I'm not gonna wear any false lashes. Mascara is from Tarte.
I look cute today, you know.
For my lips, I'm going to use the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. We're going nude today, babies. For the first time, we're gonna do that nude today. Oh, nude lips. And the lip color actually matched my eyes. I just realized that. This is the final look, guys. If you like it, please let me know, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye.